Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to add constraint in Figma. Set responsive layout constraint for any frame. So guys, for adding the constraint, first of all you simply set your frame. So guys, here you see this is my frame. Now here I am draw some diagrams. This is my first, then my second one, and this is my last one. Okay, now guys, here you see there is a auto constraint is applied on my image. But if you want to add the constraint here, so you simply first you select your item. Okay, so guys, this is my rectangle one. After that guys, go for the option of design. In the design guys, here you go for the option of position. In the position here you get the option of constraint. So now you simply click the option of constraint, and guys, here you check the left constraint, top constraint. Currently we have the left constraint and the top constraint, and if you want to add the constraint here, so just click here. So you add one more constraint, and for down you just click like this. Okay, so it changed the responsive according to your frame. Now for second layer you just go here and you add the constraint here, and for the and this is for the last one. Now here you check that when I change my frame size, so here you check my position of my elements also changed. So here you check, here you check. Okay, so guys, this is the power of the constraint. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.